everyone, hello everyone, this is Mr. Boss and Beforial. I have been great amounts fun but for mashallah. So today I'm gonna say 16 useful vocabularies. Let's get started. The first one is healthy. Healthy. It means shashtoban. And the second one is unhealthy. Unhealthy. It means ashashtoban. And the third one is happy. It means shukhi. Unhappy ashukhi. Sincere, antorik. Optimistic, আশাবাদী, pessimistic, নিরাশাবাদী, intelligent, বুদ্ধিমান, talented, মেধাবী, bright, উজ্জ্বল, gifted, প্রতিভাবান, able, সক্ষম, spirited, চেতনাদীপ্ত, reliable, বিশ্বাসযোগ্য